Armenian-German joint venture Elbat, which is equipped with European brand-new technology, was founded in 2007. The main sphere of the activity is the production of starter storage lead-acid batteries and their maintenance service in warranty period and after that. Company Elbat produces starter batteries of 45 up to 210 amperes. They are designed for all kinds of motor cars and trucks of Russian and foreign production. It's a new production including all the manufacturing processes of the battery production, starting from the plates necessary for batteries up to the final product. Elbat applies worldwide machinery equipment. The enterprise has cooperated with about 20 foreign supplying companies, importing equipment from 13 European countries. This modern equipment is generally imported from Italy, Austria and Germany. The representatives of these companies have applied the above-mentioned equipment in Elbat and took part in the starting process of the production. The European specialists organized theoretical and practical training for the manufacturing personnel. The equipment and technology received from European and American companies provide high quality of the produced batteries. In all the manufacturing processes, the human factor is minimized. For quality control, laboratories are applied, which are equipped with modern computerized appliances. From the specialist's point of view, the high quality of the batteries produced in the factory fully corresponds to the European standards. Therefore, specialists have been invited to control the whole production process and the requested quality. The raw material of the company is imported from European countries: Germany, Italy, France, England. Supplementary material is imported from the United States. The quality control is realized in all manufacturing processes. The control of technical mode specifications is carried out with the help of the equipment produced by the company Siemens. Everything is controlled by machinery equipment with digital program method, and if there is a scrap, it is completely removed from the technological cycle. In the factory, there is a water treatment plant where wastewater is extracted and filtrated for several times. High-quality filters are inserted here, through which the filtrated water goes through the canalization. All types of emission also undergo filtration, and as a result, ecologically pure emission transpires into the atmosphere.
Io sono un ingegnere italiano che ha fatto tutta la sua carriera.
I am an Italian engineer and I have spent my whole career in the sphere of electrochemistry, especially in the battery production. I have 40 years of experience, during which I have worked in Siemens, Magneti Marelli and Fiat. The latter is one of the biggest companies in battery production in Europe. My objective in Elbat is to organize electromechanical works of the laboratory. Now, the laboratory is provided with all necessary equipment and is able to perform all tests according to the requirements of European and international standards. Electric type of tests is generally carried out here. We also have mechanical tests especially the vibration test. In order to improve the quality of Elbat batteries, the laboratory carries out a study of the internal structure and electric characteristics of the competitive batteries which are well known in the market. The received and processed information promotes not only scrap prevention, but also the involvement and the improvement of the product. According to the tests carried out so far, the quality of Elbat batteries is not only equal, but even exceeds the quality of a number of well-known batteries. The quality of our batteries completely corresponds to the European norms. For the realization of these works, we prepare a group of qualified specialists. Armenian-German joint enterprise Elbat is supplied with modern equipment and especially with an automatic multifunctional conveyor produced by the Austrian company B.M. Rosendahl, which can perform 4 functions simultaneously with the work process. It raises the battery productivity and as a result provides an excellent quality.
So now we are here in Elbat. This project has started in 2008. We really started from scratch here. That means everything had to be built. I was coordinating the project together with Elbat management. And as you can see here now, we have done a lot of work since 2008. A lot of things have happened, and now you can see around you what is the result of our activity. This project is very successful, and we have here the most modern technologies available in the battery manufacturing field, and it is something which you can really see and where the Elbat management can be really proud about. Well, I don't want to spend too many words about what we have done in the last 2 years. I want just to say that we have here the Elbat management on the first stage, which is highly engaged and committed to bring this factory and this company to the highest standard and practices in the battery manufacturing industry. We have here also a team of people who are highly engaged, high professionals who want to learn. They are very curious, they want to know, they're asking questions, and of course they have to learn. They have to learn a lot because this is a new field, this is something which is completely new for them, so this is something which will grow in the time with the experience. The last update of the battery technology, that means that we have here machines and equipment which are the last standard available in all over the world. The quality of the product is a very high level, and it is comparable to the standards which you can find in Europe or in USA or in the countries where you can find a very, very high practical quality. The plant is producing up to 300,000 batteries per year. It means that we have set up the whole system to be capable to produce these quantities in 1 year. We have the most up-to-date technology, as I said, and we are confident that in the future we will fulfill all the quality requirements which are standard in this field. We have a high level of automation here. That means that we have also provided the machines and equipment in a way that we have a very safe working environment, acting to the people. And last but not least, they want to invest in the human resources because people here believe that the human resources are the most important asset of the company.
In terms of battery capacity, the factory is universal. Batteries with the capacity of 45 up to 210 amperes are produced. They are designed for all motor cars and trucks. The factory production with its quality is on a par with other European high-quality batteries which exist in the Armenian market. The prices are lower than these European ones. But in comparison to the imported products, which have lower quality, the prices are slightly higher. About 180,000 batteries are consumed in Armenia every year. With 2 working shifts, the production capacity of Elbat reaches 300,000 batteries. In case of 3 shifts, the company will have an opportunity to satisfy not only Armenian demand, but it will also be able to export its product, satisfying the demand of neighboring countries, especially in Europe and South Russia.